Guys, welcome to the Analytics School. Today I'm launching a new course on VBA, which is Visual Basics for Application. VBA is an extremely powerful tool, and if you are working on Excel on day-to-day basis, it is a must-to-have tool in your analytics toolkit. And I'll tell you the basics of VBA and will make you hero from zero in a couple of videos. This course is very different from other videos online, maybe on YouTube, Udemy, Coursera, because in this course you'll not get any kind of gassy element, and I'll be very straightforward to the point so that you can learn VBA in very short time frame. This will help you also and help me also. So without telling you a gas about VBA, let's straight away start with the VBA part. So you must have heard about macro as well. So this is one of the common questions which I hear from students, that what is the difference between VBA and macro? Macro is actually a piece of code which is written in a programming language, and VBA is Visual Basics for application. The application can be Excel, Word, or PowerPoint, and VBA is that particular editor in Excel, Word, or PowerPoint. So this is Excel, and I can open VBA editor here. So as you can see, this is the VBA editor, and here you can write a macro, a code of your own, for example, subtest, and so on and so forth. This code is a macro. Why do you need a macro now? Macro are required to serve three purposes. One is repetitive task. For example, you get some input data in a particular format. You need to transform it. You apply pivot table, sorting, filtering. You apply any kind of formula such as sum if, count if, average if, and you need to throw that output in a specific format. And you need to do this every time the data comes in the same format. You need to apply these same functions, and then you need to throw out the output in the same format. That's why in those cases, macro is very helpful to deal with the repetitive task scenario. The input data is coming in some certain format. You need to throw out the output data in a certain format. Second thing is developing new formula. In Excel, you have two types of formula. One is user defined, second is predefined. You must be knowing predefined formulas in Excel, right? Such as sum, average if, count if, median, and so on and so forth. There are many formulas in Excel. Now you can develop your own formula with your own name. I'll show you. I'll develop a new formula with my own name equal to Ashish and then the parameters. And the formula will behave and work according to the macro which I've specified it and throw me the output. Third thing is complex task scenario. Suppose you need to do some kind of customized task for yourself. For example, you want to show an interface, and suppose user clicks on some interface, you want to show a customized message to the user, and you need to apply some kind of for loop, say that iterate for 9 times, if else statements that is customized to your case. So that is a complex task scenario. We'll see how the complex task scenario and how to deal with it and using macro. The other name of macro are subroutine, procedure, and program. Just keep these names in your mind. These names will be very helpful when you like search on Google or on anything. So these are actually basic synonyms of macro. In the next lecture, we'll see what are objects and how to open VBA, and I'll show you the basic interface of the VBA. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.